हमारी सवारी देखिए जो हमें ट्रेकिंग पॉइंट तक लेके जाएगा। तो लेट्स गो गाइस। मैं खुद नर्वस हूँ, ये नहीं है, सोच लो। हाँ, तो गाइस चल, चलिए मिलते हैं हम लोग के ट्रेकिंग पॉइंट।
Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been, tell me everything about you, go.
तो लास्ट ब्लॉग यहाँ पे ख़त्म किया था, तो चलिए यहीं से शुरुआत करते हैं। नज़र आ रहा है as they said, this is the last shop. We can buy anything like soft drinks or normal biscuits and all. After that we won't get anything. So I just bought 2 Red Bulls. So guys, we reach here to rest house, and here they are doing the registration and everything. और यहाँ पे do's and don'ts दिया हुआ है. Please follow the rules if you are coming here for trekking, guys. एकदम बहुत ज़्यादा रफ है। हम लोग अभी अपहिल जा रहे हैं गाड़ी से, बहुत ज़्यादा रफ है। मैं तो पूरा बैठ गई आराम से। तो कुछ ऐसा हाल है। अच्छा So this is called real adventure. कैसा लग रहा है? Guys, that view. Oh, shit. Oh, finally we reached. So guys, हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं ट्रेकिंग पॉइंट। यहाँ से वॉकिंग स्टार्ट। ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ अस। क्या होगा पता नहीं, आज
जिंदा रहने से हो गया।
गाइस ये था फाइनल, जहाँ तक गाड़ी आप लोगों को छोड़ेगा। तो यहाँ से आगे आपको ट्रेकिंग करना है। दिस इज द लास्ट पॉइंट वेयर द कार्स विल ड्रॉप, एंड देन फ्रॉम देयर अहेड यू हैव टू ट्रैक। So this is it, guys. So this is our team. So blogger to blogger. Okay. सब ब्लॉगर है यहाँ पे।
वीडियो कोई ऐसा ना।
So guys, not friends, not enemies, but the strangers on a trip.
Yeah.
Yo. ज़ुको वैली। पीछे इतना सारा लगेज और चलते जाओ आगे। No, I was not mentally prepared also for this trip. It was just sudden and I came and it's, oh my god. Guys, now it is exactly 9:30 और हम लोगों का ट्रैकिंग मेन पॉइंट स्टार्ट हो रहा है। सो इट इज़ लाइक ज़्यादा बात नहीं करना है क्योंकि मुझे एनर्जी सेव करना है। तो चलिए मेरे साथ ज़ुको वैली ट्रैक पे। ट्रैक भले ही मुश्किल है लेकिन मंजिल बहुत खूबसूरत है अभी, है ना? So it will be all worth it. So 9:30 हो रहा है. I'll let you know guys once we reach, like at what time we will reach. Ta-da! Guys, we haven't even reached 10% also. Maybe not even 5%.
Not even 5%.
We are already exhausted. Much more power to us. Guys, कुछ ऐसा हाल है. Everyone is tired. I guess it's not even 5%. We have to climb more. So guys, it makes me feel like I'm alive. Oh, this view. Chalo. So guys, there are so many trekkers. Step birds we have already covered, and the view from here, oh my god, we have still a lot more to go, but we can take a rest for a bit. It's the valley of wildflowers. So this kind of way we have to go inside the jungle. See, I have a stick. Woo. Guys, this is all worth it. Look at the view. What else I need? So guys, see, there is no way, and we have to go from there. If you can see, you got this, girl. You can do it. You can. So guys, cheers to life. Dzukou Valley. Guys, you can't believe the view from here. Oh, it's so pretty. Just look at this, guys. So beautiful. Mother Nature. There is a sign. Aggressivity ahead. Handle with care. Ayo. Guys, मेरा सफर जारी है. आप लोग भी बने रहिए मेरे साथ. Just walking alone in this beautiful valley. I don't know where are others, my teammates. I think they're far behind, and I'm just walking all by myself. Guys, मुझे वहाँ पे छोटे छोटे दो घर दिख रहे हैं. I guess there everyone will take their lunch, and we will keep our luggages and we'll go to explore the valley. Let's go. The valley looks so beautiful. We have still a way to go. Look at the valley. It's look so pure. I think I am almost there to our base camp. Chalo. So This is the valley. So guys, finally I reached somewhere where it's written welcome. If you can see it. Chalo, let's go there. I don't know. So guys, finally I reached to my base camp. Yeah, so tired. Finally reached somewhere to our base camp. So we finally reached our base camp here. We'll be staying here for tonight. After having our lunch, we'll go a little bit. And only 4 of us from our group we reached. I don't know where are others. They're coming on their way. This is our lunch. We are going to have our lunch now. These are our tents. Some tents are there only. And these people will go back today itself. We'll have my lunch now. So guys, this is my tent. I kept my bag there. We'll take rest for some time and then we'll go that side again. यहाँ पे सब समिट पे अपना नाम लिख के जाते हैं. Look at this. So here I go. Okay. Where? In the top. Hobby 2022. So मैंने फ्रेश अप हो लिया, चेंज भी कर लिया, and this is special. Thank you for this one. So guys, हम लोगों को पहुँचे हुए 2.5 hour हो चुका है और ये लोग अभी पहुँच रहे हैं आके. हाय, अभी पहुँचे ये लोग.
ये सामने वाला इतना ब्लॉक कर रहा है, कैसा लगा?
बहुत स्लो हो आप लोग. So guys, now मैं जा रही हूँ उस व्यू पॉइंट तक. Let's go. I'm going solo. But it's good to be alone sometimes. Yeah. Enjoying all alone. Because वो लोग अभी पहुँचे हैं. मैंने तो आके लंच करके रेस्ट भी ले लिया. But this trip is so memorable. The way you can see, guys. There is no way only. Let's go. These trees are so dangerous. So I'm going on. I guess this is also a helipad. I'm not sure. So let's hear. Oh shit. So our tents are there and this valley looks so beautiful, isn't it? So guys, this is the valley. It looks so